I can't believe it. Y'all got me doing desserts on At Home with Chef Jolie.
Look, we doing anything.
Going to go back and forth like this, one way. Then I'm gonna go the other way, like that. Ain't I fancy? Y'all gonna be fancy too when you do it. I got a piece right here. I already cut a piece. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Cross like that. And then the other way. Just like that. Now I have to taste it so that y'all know how delicious it is. Let me taste. I got a little caramel right there. I'm saying because I know it's gonna be good before I taste it. Let me get that bourbon caramel sauce. So rich, so luscious, so creamy, and so easy.